So I couldn't find any actual tutorials on how to set the temperature for this. This is the Ambiano from Aldi, the little kettle with the long spout. And I've set it a couple times and I've used this manual and it still kind of is funny for me. So if for anybody who needs help, I'm just going to go through the manual and do it again. Okay, so I'm turning it off. So it says press the on button, then press the temperature button, and then you can, yes, configure it. So I'm going to put it to 150. And this is after 4 seconds, it'll show the approximately what it is right now, which is 145. So it should go up. So let's watch it go up if it does. It's going down. Oh, it's going up. Oh, it's going up. Okay, it's working. Once the water reaches the set temperature, the appliance automatically cycles on and off to maintain and keep it warm temperature. So that's setting the temperature. It should stay there, around there. Why is it going up though? It's doing its best. Okay, so we've set the temperature. It's staying around 150-ish. And now to do the duration of how long you want it to keep doing that and staying on. So you press and hold this button, the on and off button. So hold it. And mine shows 2 hours. So I'm going to leave it there and just leave it alone. Okay, that's it. So I think that's it. So we changed the temperature, which I changed it to 158 or 150, but it's staying around there. I changed the duration of it staying on after I set this up. And this is the model I have. Show the cover of the manual. And that's that. I did the best I could. See, this thing has really tripped me out, but it's working. So, and then I just turn it off when I'm done. Okay. Good luck, everybody.